Hey, what's going on, guys? Kevin Walsh from Ninja Holistic Health and Fitness. Hope you're staying safe and well. I've got some really cool and exciting news. I'm about to launch an online training program called the Ultimate Home Workout Guide, and I've been working on this for 8 weeks now, and it's just about perfected and ready to launch. It's designed to help anyone at any starting point work toward their fitness goals right at home with minimal exercise equipment and with minimal space. And it's multi-tiered, so there's level 1, level 2, and level 3. So if you're a novice exerciser, maybe you need to have a softer approach, maybe you're a senior, you need something that's safe as well as effective. I have the perfect plan for that. If you're someone who's a high-performance athlete and you're trying to take yourself to the next level, there's something for that. And everybody in between, people who are trying to lose weight, people who want to just build some lean muscle, and not take on what's now being called the quarantine 15, you know, like the freshman 15 when you gain weight in college, the quarantine 15 because we're sitting so much. This is the ultimate program, and I designed it so that I'm basically putting myself as a personal trainer in your computer. You have video tutorials on how to do stretches for all the different muscles of the body with correct form and with right breathing mechanics so that you can get rid of aches and pains and keep yourself flexible. There's video tutorials for all the different exercises that I'm giving as well, and all the form and the breathing mechanics, everything is outlined in comprehensive detail. So this is unlike anything else that's out there right now. A lot of the stuff that you see on YouTube is just kind of regurgitated regular exercises that you can follow, which is okay, but there's nothing very strategic about it. And this, for a very low price, by the way, and I'm going to have a special offer for everybody on this email list, is going to cover all the bases. I also throw a cookbook in there, and there's all kinds of goodies. So anyway, what I want to show you is one workout to give you a little teaser that's in the program. It's a bodyweight circuit. In the program, there's 3 levels. There's different variations and ways to modify these exercises. So if you're a senior, there's modifications for that. And if you're a high-performance athlete, there are modifications to make it even harder. So I'm just going to give you the basic overview to give you a little test of it. There are 5 exercises. There's the squat, the push-up, the burpee, jumping jack, and the mountain climber. And what you're going to do basically is you're going to perform the exercise for 30 seconds, and then you're going to take a 15-second or 30-second rest period, right, depending on your fitness level. So we'll go, for the sake of this video, 30 seconds on and 15 seconds off. So what you do is you get a timer out, you perform it for 30 seconds, take a 15-second rest period, and then go to the next one. So I'll show you right here what it looks like in real time. You can follow me if you'd like, and this is something that you want to go through 1 to 4 times total. So you repeat all these exercises, take a 1 to 2 or 3 minute rest period at the end, and then you go through the whole thing as many times as possible. So without any further ado, I'll go ahead and jump in, and I'll show you what this looks like basically when you go full force. So starting now, the squat first, exhaling as you go down, inhaling as you're coming up, and going at a pace that you can handle. Make sure that the knees are always going over the middle 3 toes as you go down, and the back is straight and that you're not sort of leaning forward like that. Keep the upper body, the torso, on the same angle as the lower leg, and get the hips down as low as the knees. 3, 2, 1, done. So you take a 15-second rest. That right there is the squats, and then you go into the push-ups. Now again, there are modifications for all these things in the program, but for now I'm going to give you the standard. So we go right into the push-up. 3, 2, 1. So you keep your chin tucked in the push-up, and everything moves as a single unit. So you can see my elbows are right across from the shoulders, and my upper body and my lower body are descending at the same time. So it's not just this, I'm not sinking down, it's all one unit, going down and coming up. Inhaling down, exhaling up. 3, 2, 1, done. That's the push-up. And now you go from there to the burpee. Now, this one in particular, there's a lot of modifications you can do to make it functional for all fitness levels. Again, that you're going to have to find in the program. I'm going to show you just the regular thing right now. So, going down into the burpee. Now, make sure that you're doing everything very crisp. So notice that my movements are very precise. There's no flopping around and jumping around like a fish out of water. Everything is very concise and targeted. Now I'll give you one modification here. You put the hands straight down, one leg goes back, one leg goes back, one leg forward, and then you stand. and that's called the plank to stand. So we'll go ahead and take our 15-second rest, and then go into jumping jacks. So you notice the heart rate goes up. I'm even breathing a little heavy right now, and I'm used to this. So go into the jumping jacks from there. So 30 seconds of these. And by the way, look at when I'm doing these, right? I mean, I have minimal space in my living room, and I'm still making it happen. I got a couch to my right, I got a chair to my left, but it just shows that you have so much that you can do with minimal space. There's a lot of people for years. I've been an in-home trainer. 3, 2, 1, good. As an in-home trainer, I've heard for years people say, I don't have enough space, I can't do it, I don't have enough equipment at home. You can hear my heart rate's going right now. And it doesn't take much, right? So right from there, the very last exercise is the mountain climber. So we go down right here, drawing the knee forward, and then switching back and forth. Here's the side view. Exhaling as the knee comes forward, keeping the back flat as you're going through. You got 10 seconds. Notice again, like I said, very controlled movements. I'm not just jumping around as fast as I can. Everything is concise, very precise, and we are complete. So that is one circuit round right there. And what you do is you perform that between 1 to 4 times total. So what you do is you take a rest period right now for 1 to 3 minutes, whatever you need, and then you do it, 2 to 4 times in total after that. So that right there is the workout. That's the bodyweight circuit. And again, the progressions are in the program. They're outlined very clearly, but there's just a little taste to show you what's basically coming. But what I want to share with you is that I'm going to put a special discount when it launches. It's going to be launching next week on Wednesday, and it's normally going to be selling for $69, but you're basically going to get not only different levels of workouts, there's 4 workouts per level of the 3 levels for all different people across the board, and each workout has 3 progressions, so you can actually monitor and track specific progress. All the numbers are laid out for you in plain terms that you can basically go through, so you're going to get stronger as you're going along with these workouts. Most programs don't do that. They just give you basically one little thing, here's a workout you can do, and you just run through it, but there's no real goal in mind. This is like having a trainer with you at all times, showing you, okay, you did this now we go on to the next thing and the next thing, and you'll build your strength and conditioning as you go along, which is exactly how you get stronger and fitter and burn fat over time. Also, you're gonna get a free cookbook with it, video tutorials, stretching tutorials, bonus workouts that are in there, all kinds of good stuff. So it's normally selling for $69. I'm gonna have a special offer for $49, and it's only gonna be for 2 days. So as soon as it launches on Wednesday and Thursday, you can pick it up for the discount, 30% off, and then after Thursday, it's gonna go back to regular price. So I'll leave a link below here once it's ready to launch, and I'll show you guys basically where you can access that. So over the next few days, I'll show you a little bit more about what's gonna be in the program. And anyway, there's your workout for the day. So enjoy that, enjoy the rest of your day. Talk to you guys soon, stay fit, stay healthy. Adios.